Can be a juggling act, trying to keep track of everyone's schedules and commitments. But with Google Calendar, you can get organized and stay on top of it all. Here's how to make the most of this powerful tool. Step 1. Create a Google account or sign in if you already have one. Step 2. Open Google Calendar on your computer or download the app on your smartphone. Step 3. Set up your calendar by adding your personal information and preferences. You can choose different calendar colors for each family member, making it easy to see who has what going on. Step 4. Start adding events by clicking on the desired date and time. Fill in the event details like title, location, and any additional notes. Step 5. Set reminders for yourself and others involved in the event. You can choose to receive notifications via email or push notifications on your phone. Step 6. Share your calendar with family members by clicking on the Share button. This way, everyone can view and add events to the same calendar, keeping everyone in sync. Step 7. Use different views like daily, weekly, or monthly to get an overview of upcoming events and plan accordingly. Step 8. Take advantage of the Tasks feature to create to-do lists or grocery lists that are accessible across devices. Step 9. Don't forget to enable notifications so you never miss an important event or appointment. By following these simple steps, moms can effectively manage their busy lives with Google Calendar. Stay organized, stay on top of things, and enjoy more quality time with your loved ones.